So a few weeks ago I decided to get a Anycubic Photon 3D printer. This is a LCD based resin printer, and I was trying out the Anycubic Photon Slicer version 1.3.6 and realized that yes, with the updates you can load multiple components on the platform. You can set up automatic support either from the platform or just everywhere on the part. But I realized you got to actually do all of this one part at a time. You cannot actually even save these settings to your computer and load these later on. But the cool thing is, at least the guys at Anycubic allowed you to place manual supports and even remove those supports and configure the supports later on if you needed to. So what I decided to do is I realized that there's got to be a better option out there. I wanted the ability to essentially save profiles and apply them to different parts, and I don't know, I decided to kind of look around and something caught my eye. It's basically ChiTuBox, or I guess the company calls this ChiTuBox, and in here I'm just going to show you real quick how to download and install this. There's a video that's going to show you how to actually set this up with the Photon later. But the first step here is, once you get on the ChiTuBox website, you go to the accounts menu, click the register button, and you're eventually going to have to enter your email and the CAPTCHA. Send the verification code to your email. And once you get this verification email, just copy the verification code in there, go back to the web form on the ChiTuBox website, paste that verification there. I use paste as text in case you copy anything that is not text. Obviously that's my channel name, Crunchy-san, and please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'll be posting some more videos similar to this. And all you need to do is just choose your country, hit the submit button, and type in your username, email, and password that you just created. And that's going to essentially sign you into the ChiTuBox page. Go to the download menu, and then choose the proper file for your operating system. Mine is a Windows 64-bit operating system, so just choose Windows 64, click download, and that's going to download the software for you. There is a ChiTuBox Pro that is coming soon, but don't worry too much about that. We'll talk about that in another video. Again, just when you execute this the first time, the Windows Smart Screen filter will pop up with the warning. Simply go ahead and click on more details and click on run anyways, and then click agree and install. Again, I'm not sure what their full license agreement is. I didn't really bother to read all of that, kind of signing my life away here. But once you go ahead and install that, click the install button, and then the software will essentially launch once the installation is done. So that is basically it, guys. You can download and set this up in a few seconds. And in the next video, I am going to show you how to actually set up ChiTuBox with the Anycubic Photon. And we'll see what it's got to offer. Is this really a better option than the Anycubic Photon software that comes with the printer? Or why would you need to pay for that? We'll talk about all of that in the next video.